I'm Charlotte May, and today we're at Tech 360 with Dyson, who are going to show me their very latest product, something I've not seen or heard anything about so I'm very excited to find out more. Okay, so we've got Stephen here from Dyson. Hi, Stephen.
Hi, nice to meet you.
I have no idea what this product is. I can only have a few guesses. Could you please tell us more?
This is our Dyson brand new product with the barrel to curl or wave your hair.
Okay.
And also we have the brush to smooth and volumize your hair as well. So this is a multi-styler that uses Coanda effect to style your hair.
Coanda effect.
Yes, it's a bombastic term, I know, but we can probably go to the small, simple explanation later.
Okay.
Yeah. Just to demonstrate the Coanda effect, I think I have the hair tress over here.
Oh.
Okay.
Let's test on that first before I test on mine.
Yeah, no worry about it. So,
It has a sound.
yes. What it does is that we hold about roughly leave a bit of end of the hair at the end. So you can see that it will wrap on.
Oh. Wow.
There's no need to rotate, so it just suck in the hair automatically.
Okay.
And then after a while, about 10 seconds or so, give it a shot of cool air. Turn it off.
Ooh, this is incredible. Oh, wow.
Yeah, and the curl stays.
So it's sort of like a magnetic field that just grabs all your hair.
Yes, instead of magnetic field, we call this the Coanda effect because what it does, it makes use of hot air. When air goes over a curved surface, it actually will follow the curved surface and bend downwards. It will actually carry the hair in.
Wow.
And then wrap it around. So as you can see just now, even with just the ends getting on, as we move up the product, the machine, we could actually see that the hair is being curled up and then it's being sucked in all the way.
It's incredible, but I see that you're right now touching the rod. Is it not hot like other colors? Because I've burned myself several times.
Yes. The key thing is that this is a multi-styler that doesn't damage your hair with extreme heat.
Okay.
Yes, so in that case, your hair will never get overly damaged.
Right.
Yeah, which is the usual problem when you use flat irons and curling tongs and other styling products that uses.
Can I touch the? Oh yeah. Oh, it's absolutely fine.
Yes.
Wow.
So of course, if prolonged usage, it may get quite hot, but it's still safe to touch. It's not going to burn you.
Right.
Okay. So Charlotte, why not you have a try now?
Okay.
So which side do you want to style first?
Let's try my left side first.
Okay. In that case, this one is the correct side for you.
Okay.
Because of looking at the arrow. So we have the clockwise and anti-clockwise barrel. So one for left and one for right.
Okay.
So in this case, you want to style your left side first, so you use this.
Okay.
When you want to switch over to do the right side, then you switch over to this barrel.
Got it. Okay.
Yes.
Excited. Okay, let me just pin my hair.
Yes, of course you have to like partition a section a section of the hair out. You have a try.
Okay. Oops. Okay, let's try this.
Yes, that's about right.
So exciting. Okay.
Yes. So remember, you don't hold the ends of the hair. You just hold somewhat. Yes, this is correct.
Okay. Okay. Oh wow. Woo. Okay, and then I cool it for a few seconds.
Yes, cool it for a few seconds. Put it down.
Oh, that was so quick.
Yeah, and a very nice natural curl.
Yeah.
So after if you do that for all your other hair tresses, all the sections of the hair, then after you can use your fingers or all this to brush, so that the curls will just blend together. You feel look very natural.
Oh wow.
Does it feel weird to getting styling tips from a guy?
No. It's lovely. I love it. Anyone can give hairstyling tips.
Especially from an engineer, that's unusual.
That's very good. You're very good. Your wife must be very happy. Oh, this is very interesting, and it's soft. It's. I mean, my hair doesn't feel dry, and it's just amazing with this technology because I think I get very tired, turning and twisting, and the directional thing it really helps because early in the morning sometimes I'm twisting the wrong direction, and the curls kind of go haywire. So this, I don't know, provides very good control. And this is, I can just touch it. It's amazing because I once burnt my hand when I dropped I dropped my color and I caught it with my hand.
Yeah.
Never do that at home. And so I burnt my hand, but this will never happen. Could I try that brush though? It looks fascinating.
Yes. This is actually, you can actually, when you do this brushing, right, you can just brush over
Okay, so I'm normally brushing my hair, just brushing as normal.
Yes, because your hair tension will actually switch, cause this mechanism to switch.
Okay.
And then the airflow will come out in the correct direction.
And do I need the cooling function at all for this?
Not necessarily.
Okay, let's try this.
Unless you want to like have a curl like that.
Okay. It's like a heated hair massage. I know.
Also use your hand to like help to hold the hair so that you really comb through,
Okay.
so it doesn't get underneath the really foul.
Right. And you know what I realized? I know what you're saying about the volume. I do see the volume here. It's not flat. It's not pulling the hair down. Oh, I love this. And this is really a heated hair massage. I would get this just for that reason. It's so I don't know. It's just very calming to brush your hair through it. Wonderful. Well, this has been really fun. Thank you so much, Stephen. But just a few questions. If I own this, do I need a hairdryer anymore in my home?
Well, Charlotte, given that you are a very busy person,
He
I know
knows
that
me.
you have a lot of hosting shows, you have your radio show. Once you are used to the new way to style this, actually the speed of styling is actually a lot faster than the curling iron.
So this can be my morning routine and the supersonic my night routine.
Yes.
Okay, wonderful. But you know, I mean, this technology, honestly, it's amazing. I know you guys didn't come up with it overnight. What was the developmental process like?
Well, you'll be amazed that we actually spent 6 years in this product. Okay, over 260 engineers are working on this since the start.
Including yourself?
I didn't join on the since the start. I was like in the middle and about.
Right.
But it was a really joy to finally see this release and all the rave reviews that we get from after the release.
So when I purchase this, do I have to purchase the other parts as well? You know, you were saying that there are bigger barrels and stuff like that.
So we have actually 3 different sets, 3 different SKUs offering. So when you purchase these, actually our Dyson experts will be there to advise you.
Yes.
Yeah, and give you a run through of which are the attachments and which SKU is actually best suitable for you.
Okay, wonderful. Thank you so much, Stephen. This is such a revolutionary product. I can't even imagine that I no longer have to physically curl up my hair. I mean, this does everything for me. All I have to do is hold it there. And honestly, this is what you need after a long day at work. This is a massaging machine on its own. So thank you so much, Stephen, for this.
Thank you. My pleasure.
Okay. Cool, let's do this. Am I doing it wrong?
A little.
Okay.